Today I'm going to make some root mash, and especially for Burns night, I've got one turnip or swede, whatever you want to call it, and I actually bought it in two halves because I'm not very good at getting a knife through something that size. And to that I'm going to add some mashed carrots. So basically I'm going to prepare all the vegetables, and it's similar to the mashed potato. Once it's all steamed, it'll be, added to with some, maybe a knob of butter, a little bit vegetable oil, and some salt and pepper. So first of all, I'm going to prepare all the veg. So with your carrots, obviously lightly scrape them all with your peeler and top and tail them. Yeah, in Scotland we talk about turnip, and it's really neeps. It's a famous dish, isn't it? Haggis, neeps and tatties. I don't know where the name neeps has come from. Some of these outer bits off because sometimes that's a bit stringy. Okay, but obviously I've got a lot of turnip chopped up, or neeps as you want to call it, and what I've done is I've tried to put most of the turnip in the bottom part of the steamer, and in the top part I'll just put the rest of the veg. You see, I've just chopped the carrots roughly. They don't really need to be very thin because they'll all be mashed up after they've been cooking for half an hour. Right, so my 2-tier steamer's back on again. You don't need a steamer, you can do it in a pan of hot water, but I filled it up again with water, and I'm going to put it on for about 30 minutes and just leave that to steam away nicely.